Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is may. Here is a picture of someone who may be sick. Here is may in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. May means it is used to express possibility or permission. May. Past progressive, none. Past might. Present progressive, none. Present may and future may. Let's build a sentence. You may. Today, we will use the present tense. Let's build a sentence. You may... What? What may I do? You may take. Okay. May is a verb that is very often used in the English language. May is used to explain what is possible, give or ask for permission to do something. Let's build a sentence. You may take... What? What may I take? You may take this piece. Okay. Let's build a sentence. You may take this piece. Which piece? You may take this piece of cake. Ooh, I like cake. Let's build a sentence. You may take this piece of cake. Where? Where can I take it? You may take this piece of cake to the table. All right, cool. Let's build a sentence. You may take this piece of cake to the table. When? When can I take it? I want the cake now. You can take this piece of cake to the table after you finish your dinner. Aww. See how we built a sentence? This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.